James. Come get it. Come on. Come on, big boy. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Let's go get that toy. Do you want your Cayman maraca? Yes, you do. Good job. You can have it, buddy. Good job. Yay, James. Look, you can knock over your tower, too. Look, James. You knock it over. Good job. You're such a good boy. Yeah, you want your other Cayman maraca? Here. For being such a good crawler, you can have both. Tell everybody that you pulled up today in Little Gym class. It was so much fun. What are you going to get now? Okay, we're going to say bye-bye. James, do you want to wave bye-bye? You're preoccupied, aren't you? Okay. Bye-bye.